Yeah, hi there. These comments are for EK. I am Michael, the founder, owner, and the materials writer from OTC, online TOEFLcourse.com. And thank you for doing the writing practice test. So I looked at it, I scored it. So I'm putting you between 4 and 5. So if I look at it right now, I'm going to put you at 27 points out of 30. So you have a nice, complete, accurate response to the writing task. You have great control, I think, over the structure in the introduction, the body paragraphs here. So I definitely think you're moving in the right direction here. Now, I didn't give you 30 points, right? So I'm going to just work on one of your paragraphs to show you some minor problems you might be having. Okay, so let's take a look at this paragraph. You start with secondly. The author says that bears are aggressive toward humans by nature. The article mentions that at first a bear will stand on, I'm going to make this more generic, just say its. It'll stand on its rear legs, and you want to put then make, because it will stand and it will make. So, then make noises sometimes accompanied, I'm going to put accompanied by ground smashing, and you don't need a comma before that infinitive. To demonstrate, we'll put its aggressive movements. The professor, however, highlights the fact that usually we is a little too personal for this. You could say something like observers or people often misinterpret the signals that bears. You want to say that bears give them. He goes on to say that a bear will stand on its back legs to get a better view. It will stand and will posture aggressively to show dominance in order to avoid aggression. So the one thing that you could score slightly lower, because if every paragraph has these kinds of minor problems, the more you get, the heavier it becomes on the paper. But just be careful about, it looks like in this case, your pronouns and your possessive adjectives, things like its versus her or hers, things like that. So I think you can control your organization just a little bit better. Not organization, you can control your language use a little bit better. So I recommend with summaries like integrated writing, because it's a fairly informal type of writing, it's usually better to not use things the first person plural or singular point of view, like I, me, or my, or we, or us, those kinds of things. All right, but overall, you definitely have some great writing skills, and thank you for doing the practice test. And everybody at YouTube, for more information, go over to my blog, bettertoeflscores.com. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and post this video somewhere in your social media realm so other people can see it. And the main thing that you want to get from the feedback I provided today is be careful of your point of view and even your subject-verb agreement, kind of those things. Make sure you can control your point of view, your points of view, I should say, on your integrated and independent speaking and writing tasks.